In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a channel in Slack. Creating a channel is one of the easiest ways to keep conversations organized inside your Slack workspace. Instead of mixing project updates, team discussions, and general messages all in one place, channels help separate everything by topic, department, or workflow. That makes communication cleaner, easier to follow, and much more manageable over time. To get started, open the Slack desktop app or sign in to your workspace using Slack in a desktop web browser. Once you're inside the workspace, look over to the left-hand sidebar and find the section labeled Channels. Move your cursor over that header and you should see a plus icon appear on the right side. Click that plus icon, then choose Create a Channel from the menu that pops up. A channel creation window will appear on your screen. In the name field, type the name you want to use for your channel. Keep in mind that Slack channel names need to be in lowercase, cannot include spaces, and should stay under 80 characters. Using a clear and simple name will make it easier for everyone to recognize the channel's purpose right away. Under that, you'll also see a description field. This part is optional, but it's very useful. Add a short summary so anyone browsing channels can quickly understand what belongs in that space. Next, decide whether the channel should be public or private. In the lower part of the setup window, you'll see the Make Private toggle. If you leave it off, the channel will be public, which means people in your workspace can find it and join it themselves. If you turn it on, the channel becomes private, so only invited members can access it, and it will not appear in search for everyone else. Choose the option that best fits the type of communication you want to manage. Then click the Create button. After that, Slack will open an Add People window automatically. At this stage, you can either add all workspace members if you're creating something broad and company-wide, or you can add only specific people by typing their names into the search field and selecting them from the list. If you're not ready to invite anyone yet, you can also skip this step for now and set things up privately first. Once the channel is created, Slack will take you directly into it. You'll see a confirmation message showing that the channel has just been created. To make sure everything is working, click into the message box, type a quick welcome message, and press enter to post it. That is all. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.